Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to instantly freeze or unfreeze your debit card through online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just get right on the video. Now if you are doing it via your Chase Bank, then first thing that you need to do is simply open up the app and log into your account. Now in order to freeze your debit card, what you need to do is simply tap on the account option, then select your checking account. And once you select the checking account, here tap on the debit card linked to your account, and then once that's done, what you need to do is you'll find an option that says controls, simply select that. Now here you'll find an option that says lock or unlock card, and you'll get a toggle button right here. Simply toggle it on, and then once you do that, it will ask your card is locked. This card can be used to make purchases, get cash, and so on. So simply confirm it and your card has been locked. Now in order to unfreeze it, simply follow the same steps after the card settings, and you'll find the toggle button right here. Simply toggle it off and then tap on confirm, and your card will be unfreezed and works immediately again without waiting. Now if you are doing it from via an online bank, then what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your TD bank application and log into your account. Then once done, simply tap on the TD checking account. Then once you do that, here simply select your card, and then you'll find an option that says manage card. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on manage card, you'll find an option that says lock card. Simply tap on this toggle option, and then you'll be asked to confirm the locking of the card. And once you do that, you have successfully locked your or freezed your debit card. Now if you want to unfreeze it, what you need to do is simply follow the same steps by going to the accounts, then checking accounts and selecting manage card, and you land on the same page. Now all you gotta do is toggle this off and then confirm it, and that will instantly unfreeze your TD debit card. Now if you are using it from via Bank of America application, then simply head over and open up your Bank of America application and log into your account. Then simply here tap on the account or checking account, and then once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says manage card. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says lock card. Simply toggle it on, and then once toggled it on, you have successfully freezed your Bank of America debit card. Now in order to unfreeze it, simply follow the same steps until the manage card option, and then tap on the lock card or toggle this option off. And once that's done, you have successfully unfreezed your card and the card works instantly again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.